Hello guys, so today in this video we are going to see complete live review about this awesome product called Vertical AI, which is a one-click app that auto creates a completely done for you agency website preloaded with 1 million PLR articles, 100,000 ebooks, royalty free music tracks, HD videos and images with full resale right that you can sell and earn huge profits. So watch the complete video to see full demo of it, how it works, its various features and many more. And guys, if you get access to it right now, I have 5 free action taken bonuses totally free worth rupees $999 for you. So to learn more about it or to grab this limited time period offer, definitely check out the link in the description down below guys. So now let's get started.
Hey, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you a quick overview of our brand new software Vertical. So Vertical is the world's easiest and fastest membership site builder software. This software automatically pulls content from your Amazon S3, Google Drive or Dropbox for you, creates membership sites and creates all the pages for you, and creates ready to sell site. So this is the login page, and let me log in first. Alright, I have logged into my account and you can see that the dashboard is here. You will get a complete overview of the application in the dashboard. You can see that the revenue, you can see that total sales number, you can see the users, and you can see the team members. You can see all the features are listed in the left side bar. Now let me show you how this application will work for you. So first we need to connect our file hosting server. So go to the file hosting section. So from here you can connect your Amazon S3 server, or you can connect your Google Drive and the Dropbox account. So let me show you how to connect the Google Drive. All you need to do is just click on Connect Drive, and you need to log into your Google account by just clicking here. Just click here and you need to sign up your Google Drive account. Alright, I have successfully connected my Google Drive account. You can see that. So let's go to the product section. Now we need to import product from our Google Drive account. So just click on import product and select the server and select the account. Then select the folders and now select the files. Now click on import, and the files are imported successfully. I have imported 2 files as a products, and you can see that one is a PDF file and another one is a MP4 file. So now let's go to the funnel section and create a funnel. Just click on create new funnel, and we're gonna name it Make Money Online, and just click on create funnel. So our funnel is created now, and let me show you how to customize the funnel. Let's go back. So this is our funnel, and you can edit the funnel from here. You can duplicate it and you can delete the funnel. Now let me click here, and we can customize the funnel from here. We can customize the domain and access. From this section you can present your product using a vertical subdomain or your own domain. Just click on it, and you can make your funnel public access or paid access, or you can make it free, and you can customize the subdomain from here. If you want to use your own domain, you just need to enable this option and you just need to click on save settings. Alright, the page access URLs will be here. You can preview them or you can copy them. Now let's go back to the funnel section. Now you can see that the product section, from here you can add multiple products. So let's go to the product section, and you can see that currently there is no product. So we're going to add our first product to this funnel. Now let's select the product. You can add the product sales page URL here. If you don't want to add the product sales page, just enable this option bonus available and click on add product. So our product added successfully to this funnel. Now let's go back, and from the copyright text section you can change the copyright text. From the payment gateways, you can use this option to set the marketplace and payment option. Let me show you. Just click on add payment gateway and you can set a title here. You can see that the payment gateways are here. You can add JVZoo, Warrior Plus, Warrior From, Pay Kickstart, PayPal, Thrivecart, Stripe as a payment gateway option, and you just need to click on add. So this is how you can add payment gateways to your funnel. Let's go back and you can see that the integration section, you can create connection for email service from here. Just click on select service and you just need to select the service and select the list. You can use this feature once you integrated your autoresponder with this application, and you can integrate your autoresponder from the autoresponder section. We'll show you it later. Now let's go back. Now you can see that the members section. So from here you can search member, you can add members manually, or you can edit your members access from here. If you want to add member, you just need to go to the members section and click on add members, and you need to put their full name, email address and password and the member status. Then you can select the product that you want to give access to your members, and then if you want to send the details on their mail, just check mark on this and just click on add member. This is how you can add members and you can edit members from the members section. Now let's go back to the funnel section and you can see that the pages section. So you can use this option to create sales and thank you page with salary builder. Just click on pages and you can use the pre-built template to create your pages. Now let's go back to the funnel section. So from the settings section, you can customize the funnel name, you can customize the funnel tagline, you can set the welcome text, reset password text, expiring soon text and email settings. This is how you can create a funnel and you can customize everything from here. Now let's go back to the dashboard and from the autoresponder section, you can connect your autoresponder with this application. You can connect any of this autoresponder. You will have 22 options there. And from the transaction email section, you can add the transaction email account. Then from the training and tutorial section, you will get the training and tutorials for this application. So this is how you can create a ready to sell membership site using this application. So thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.